Hey, this is Nick with Obsessed Garage, and welcome to OG Academy, the series of short videos where we dive into some of the technical aspects of the things we carry here at Obsessed Garage. Today, we are going to be talking about how to replace your O-ring in your quick disconnect couplers. So how will you know when it's time to change your O-ring in your couplers? Well, it should be pretty apparent. Water is either going to be leaking out of the side of the coupler or it'll be spraying all over the place if you have the pressure washer on. O-rings are a consumable item, so it's totally normal for them to get lost or go bad over time, so replacing them is nothing out of the ordinary, and it does not mean that your coupler is bad. So in order to change your O-ring, all you need to do is take your coupler, take a look on the inside, and you'll notice a black O-ring recessed pretty deep into the coupler. All we really need to do is pop this out and then push a new one in there. So we'll grab our pick tool, whether it be a straight one or a bent one. We'll get inside the coupler and then pull this O-ring out. Be careful not to scratch up the insides of the couplers. And there we go, we have our O-ring pulled out. To install your new O-ring, we're simply going to place it in horizontally into the coupler and then push it the rest of the way in, leveling it out towards that ridge at the bottom. You may need to get a pick tool to fully set it in to that recess, but be careful not to puncture the O-ring, as this is the new one. Okay, and with the new O-ring installed, you should not be experiencing any more leaks, as the O-ring is the main cause of leaks inside of a coupler. Hopefully you took something away from this video, and as always, everything you see on this table, including the couplers and the O-rings, are available on our store at obsessedgarage.com. If you have any questions, you can comment down below or email us directly at support@obsessedgarage.com.